kitchen style.
The anticipation is over. We are here. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. It's a beautiful day outside. It's the Lovers Holiday weekend, and we got some very special for you in mind.
That's right. We're going to have a delicious red velvet cheesecake cupcakes with cream cheese icing.
Oh wow, that sounds great, babe.
So let's head to the kitchen and start cooking.
Okay, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and start off with my icing for my red velvet cheesecake cupcakes. And the reason why we're going to start off with this first is because it's going to have to chill for about an hour. So I have 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. I have 1.5 sticks of butter. I have my vanilla, my lemon flavor, and my confectioner sugar. Okay, so this cream cheese is a little cooler than room temperature. So I'm going to mix that first. Okay, so we're gonna mix our 1.5 sticks of butter. We're gonna mix this until it is nice and fluffy. Okay, you can go ahead and scrape the sides of your bowl just to get it back to the bottom. And then we'll mix some more. So now we'll go ahead and add our cream cheese to the butter. And mix these together. We'll scrape the sides. Okay, now we'll start adding our confectioner sugar. We have 1.5 cup. We'll add a little at a time and mix it in with your spoon. scrape down the sides of our bowl. Now we'll add our vanilla flavor and lemon flavor. Okay, and that's it. So now we'll put this in a container and we'll put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about an hour while we work on our red velvet cupcakes. Okay, so we are going to work on our cream cheese filling for our cupcakes. And this is what we have. We have a block of cream cheese. We have 1 large egg and a 1/3 cup of sugar, and we have vanilla. So let's get started. I'm going to add that block of cream cheese to our bowl. And we're going to mix that with our mixer until it's nice and creamy. And make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. Next, we're going to add our egg. Now we're going to add our 1/3 cup of sugar. And we have a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we have already whipped our batter up for our red velvet cake, which is here in our Wilton bags. And if you want the recipe for that, it's going to be listed in the description box below. We also have our icing, which we have already made. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and mix our sugar and vanilla. Okay, scrape that off the sides of the bowl, give it one last spin, and then we're ready. Okay, and to make this a little simpler, I am going to go ahead and put this inside of a bag also. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So welcome back. We have put our cream cheese filling in a Wilton's bag. I think it's going to make this a little bit more convenient for me, and make the cupcakes a little neater when I get ready to put the batter and stuff in the cupcake pan. So let's get started. I'm going to take and cut the tip off of here. That way I'm able to get this in. I'm only going to add about 2/3 of the cupcake liner because I don't want these to cook over. Okay, and the next layer is going to be the cream cheese. Okay, I want to kind of try to keep that in the center if I can. Like that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more. I hope you all can see this. Let me try to zoom in some. Now I'm gonna add a little more of my batter. Okay, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna bake these about 16 to 20 minutes. It's gonna depend on your oven. And you can take a toothpick and stick it in your cupcake to determine if your batter is done. Okay, so I think these actually came out pretty great. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven. And we'll be right back. Wow, look how absolutely beautiful they came out. And you can actually see some of the cheesecake peeking out of some of them. Well, I'm gonna let them cool for a little while and then we'll put the icing on. These are so moist, and look at the cheesecake on the inside. That is absolutely delicious. You have got to try this recipe at home. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.